Lesson 10 Light, Sound and Force Part 2 Sound. The chirping of birds, ringing of bells, barking of dogs, honking of horns, and crying of babies are some sounds that we hear in our everyday life. We cannot see sound, but we can hear it with our ears. We make sound when we talk, laugh, ha ha ha, cry, cough and sneeze. Types of sound. Sounds can be soft, loud, pleasant or unpleasant. Chirping of birds, songs and sound made by musical instrument are soft and pleasant. Loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. It irritates us. Sound of vehicles on busy roads, honking of horns, loud music and shouting of people are loud and unpleasant sounds. Noise can damage our ears. We should play music system and television at low volume. We should not shout. Force. A push or pull is called force. Force helps us to do many things. Force can move an object like stationary car and toy car. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the shape of an object like clay and dough. Force can make things go faster or slow down. Force can change the direction of an object. Friction. The ball slows and stops due to friction. Friction is a special type of force that slows down the movement of objects. Thank you, students.